Hi everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you how to easily insert an SD card in your Imou Ranger 2 camera. So as you can see that currently I'm on amazon.com and this is the camera that we are talking about. So this is the front of this camera, and in the front you won't be able to see any SD card insert section, and this is the back of this camera where you will be able to see these two ports, but these won't allow you to add any um, external SD card into it. So over here you can add the Ethernet port and the Wi-Fi port. So you can just see this type of camera, and somewhere in the front you will be able to see an SD card option. So most probably it will be in the front of your camera, where you just have to insert the SD card and you are done. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.